In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Cute Without the E by Taking Back Sunday off of their album, Tell All Your Friends. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel, we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Cute Without the E is your favorite Taking Back Sunday song. And let's dive in. The song's gonna open with 4 chords. The first chord is gonna be 4th fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, and then 4th fret, 3rd string. Okay, I'm playing that with ring finger, 1st finger, and pinky. Second chord, we're just gonna lift the ring finger off of the 5th string and play it open. So we have open 5th, 2nd fret 4th, 4th fret 3rd. Then what you're going to do is take your index finger, bar, 2nd fret 5th string, 2nd fret 4th string, and keep your pinky on the 4th fret of the 3rd. Okay, and then the final chord, we're going to slide our middle finger up to the 2nd fret of the 5th, and then your first finger will play 1st fret on the 4th string. And the pinky still stays on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. And you'll just strum those chords as half notes, so it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Repeat. And then we'll kick into the main riff of the song that we'll be playing through the verses. We'll be using the same fingering here because we'll be using the same chords, but instead of strumming the chords like we did in the intro, we're going to be arpeggiating the chords. And the pattern for the arpeggiation is going to be this. Repeat. So let's break that down slowly. So we have the same fingering as the first chord in the intro. 4th finger on the 4th fret of the 5th. We'll hit that twice. Then we'll hit the 2nd fret of the 4th string once. And then back to the 5th string once. Then we'll jump to the 3rd string where your pinky is on the 4th fret. Hit that twice. Then hit the 4th string once, and then the 3rd string one more time. So slowly all together. And I'm using alternating picking here. You can down pick everything, which may seem easier, but when you're playing this song at full tempo, downstroking everything will make your arm get tired pretty quickly, so I encourage you to try alternate picking. So we're alternate picking here, slow. Then we move to the second chord, which is just lifting the ring finger off. Open 5th string twice. 2nd fret, 4th string once. Back to open 5th. Then we're to the 3rd string where the pinky's still on the 4th fret. Twice. Over to the 4th string once. Back to the pinky once. So that's the exact same pattern we just played. Then to the 3rd chord, which again is 1st finger barring, 2nd fret 5th, 2nd fret 4th, pinky, 4th fret of the third. Pinky's going to stay there most of the time. Same pattern here. And what we'll do here is slide up to the second fret of the fifth and the first fret of the fourth. And the pattern here will be this. Twice on the fifth string, once on the fourth string, once back on the fifth string. Then we add the ring finger to the second fret of the fourth. Pull it off to the first fret. So we have this so far. And then at this point, we just hit the fifth string again and the fourth string again. So we have this. And that pattern's going to repeat over and over again throughout the verses. So let's go through it all together slow. And repeat. You want to be palm muting this for the most part. It's okay if a note rings out every once in a while, especially that note, fourth fret of the third string. It's okay if it rings out there especially. That's a challenging arpeggiation to learn. So don't beat yourself up if it takes a long time to learn that. Start slow and build the speed up over time. I'll add here that there is a second guitar playing in the verse, just playing muted power chords. So that's a C sharp, so that's fourth fret of the fifth string. Then an A, so that's open fifth string, and then a B, which is second fret fifth string, using the power chord shape. So that'll be playing underneath that main riff. Throughout the verse. Now we'll kick into the chorus, which will be all power chords, starting at C sharp. So that's fourth fret, fifth string. Then it goes down to second fret, fifth string, slides up to the E, which is seventh fret, and then to the A, which is fifth fret on the sixth string. And the right hand rhythm's just going to be eighth notes, so it'll sound like this. Now in the second chorus, there'll be a second guitar that kicks in right before we hit the bridge. And that guitar is going to be playing octave swipes, starting on the fourth fret of the fifth. That'll include the sixth fret of the third, then up to 6, up to 7, and then it just goes down and plays an A power chord. Right hand rhythm's going to be eighth notes, so it'll sound like this. That part will be playing over the power chords from the first guitar. So the first guitar will still be playing this. Second guitar is this. And then we kick into the bridge. The bridge is going to be played like this. It's going to be mostly bass. So the bass line will be playing something like this. So that's just bass playing that part. The guitar will kick in with this. So what I'm doing there, if you think about a D chord, that you play here, just slide that same positioning up 2 frets. So we have 4th fret of the 3rd, 5th fret of the 2nd, and then 4th fret of the 1st. And we're just arpeggiating, so we're playing 1 note at a time. Let that ring. Then we play 5th fret of the 1st with the pinky. And then we hammer on and off. That part will repeat several times in the bridge, and then coming out of the bridge we'll be playing this. We'll be playing power chords here. So we have 4th fret of the 5th, that's the C sharp, then the A, and then the B. And then what we'll do is we'll play this little run here. So that's 2nd fret on the 4th string, pull off to 1st fret on the 4th, and then 2nd fret on the 5th. Repeat. It ends there on the 1st fret of the 4th. And then repeat the whole section. And then we'll go into the extended outro section with the same power chords. So we'll still have the same C sharp, A, and B power chord sequence. We won't be playing this part. And we'll be playing 8th notes here, so it'll sound like this. C sharp, A, B. And that'll play through to the end of the song, where the last 3 chords, you'll play 1 time each. C sharp, A, and then we'll play this B. But what you can do here is add the 2nd fret of the 6th string as the root for some more emphasis on the last note. Is Taking Back Sunday the best emo band of all time? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.